Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious soufflé easily. We'll cover the essential steps to achieve that perfect rise and airy texture. First, understand the simple ingredients that contribute to a light and fluffy result. Then, we'll prepare our baking dish properly, ensuring a smooth release. Finally, we'll review the key techniques for combining everything for success. Let's start by creating our flavorful base. Gently melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth roux. Gradually add 1 cup of milk, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens into a creamy sauce. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in your egg yolks and any desired flavorings, like cheese or chocolate. Now for the magic, the egg whites. Carefully separate 4 large egg whites into a clean, dry bowl. Whip them until they form soft peaks. Gradually add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, continuing to whip until stiff, glossy peaks form. This sugar helps stabilize the whites. Gently fold these airy whites into your prepared flavor base in 2 or 3 additions. With your mixture ready, pour it carefully into a buttered and floured 2-quart soufflé dish. Bake your soufflé in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It will typically take 25 to 30 minutes to bake, rising beautifully and turning golden brown. Remember, soufflés are best enjoyed immediately, so serve it straight from the oven.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.